this is Donna from Miik. I'm going to show you 5 super easy ways to wear a scarf and when to wear them.
The easiest way to wear a scarf is this way. So in half, grab it right here, pull it through. This goes with almost any outfit this way. It's a nice, easy way to wear a scarf. If you want to take a blazer and make it look a little more casual, so then you see a little bit of the collar. So if you're wearing a collared shirt, something like our Lucia top, what I find is if you end up with this sort of the typical way of tying a scarf, it's covering up your whole collar, your neckline. So what's the point of wearing it? So what I recommend is instead put it around once like this, and then you put it in one side, and then you reach in between these 2 layers and grab the other side. Now, then you can tighten it or loosen it how you want. But what this does is it makes a nice, smooth, doesn't kind of take over your outfit. But now, see, you can see the collar and it kind of gives it a nice, smooth, clean look. Don't forget, the other reason to wear a scarf is just to change up a dress that you're gonna wear all the time. Easy to add a blazer over it even with this. So the thing I love about wearing a scarf with a dress is it acts as a little bit of camouflage, or if you're trying to cover anything happening around here. This is when it wraps around twice. So you start like this, and you wrap around again, and then now pull the front one like this, so it's got a little space. Put this one in here, and then you grab your hand between just the same, and you pull it through. This is when you want a nice big, thick, full scarf up here, and then you want to show the rest of your outfit off. So in this one, I kind of want the idea of it looking nice and warm and cozy. So we kind of go with our basic, which is just tied around things. It also helps if you're looking to detract away from a larger bust. It gives you coverage, but having the volume up here makes everything else underneath it look a little bit smaller. If you have a super long skinny scarf like this one, this is how I would recommend you wearing it. Just tie around once, loosely around your neck, and this kind of gives you an edgier look with this Robin cardi.
Thanks for watching.